Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to for all things beauty. Today we're diving into the Post-Transplant Hair Repair Set by Hairmd. If you're on the journey to regrowing or repairing your hair, this might be a game changer for you. This set includes a shampoo, Meso serum, and another advanced serum designed with multivitamins, biotin, keratin, and collagen to support your hair's health. Let's get into the details and see how it performs. The Post-Transplant Hair Repair Set by Hairmd targets individuals looking to repair and revitalize hair after a transplant, though it could be useful for anyone dealing with hair thinning or damage. The shampoo in this set is formulated to cleanse without harsh ingredients, providing a gentle yet effective cleanse. The two serums, Meso Serum and the Advanced Hair Care Serum, are packed with key ingredients like biotin and keratin, which are known to support hair strength and promote healthier growth. The addition of collagen helps nourish the scalp, while the multivitamins contribute to an overall improvement in hair texture and thickness. I've been using this set for a couple of weeks now, so let's talk about how it actually holds up in real-world use. The shampoo is pretty straightforward. It lathers well and leaves my scalp feeling clean without any residue. It's unscented, which is great for those who are sensitive to strong fragrances. It's gentle enough for daily use, and I didn't experience any irritation, which can sometimes happen with other post-transplant or sensitive scalp products. Now the serums, both of them come in pump bottles, which I appreciate for easy application. The Meso serum feels a bit thicker compared to the Advanced Hair Serum, which is more lightweight. I applied both directly to my scalp and massaged them in. After a couple of weeks of use, I did notice my scalp felt nourished and my hair felt more manageable. However, it's too soon to speak to major hair regrowth. With any product like this, results take time, so I'll need more consistent use to see the long-term effects. On to the cons. The pros. The ingredients in this set are solid. Biotin, keratin, and collagen are all known for promoting stronger, healthier hair. The products are easy to use, and the unscented nature makes it ideal for those with fragrance sensitivities. The packaging is practical, and the products feel professional without being overly complicated. The cons. While the formulation is great, the price point might be a sticking point for some. This is definitely a premium product, and it's a bit more costly than other hair care options on the market. Additionally, while the shampoo is effective, it doesn't necessarily stand out compared to other shampoos in this category. And, of course, as with most hair restoration products, you'll need to commit to long-term use to see visible changes, which can be a bit of a waiting game. When it comes to value for money, this is a tricky one. On one hand, the ingredients are high quality, and you're paying for a targeted hair repair treatment that combines multiple active ingredients designed to improve scalp and hair health. If you're post-transplant or dealing with significant hair loss, it could be worth the investment. But if you're just looking for a regular hair care solution, there are more affordable alternatives available that can provide similar benefits, though they may not offer the same level of focus on hair repair and regeneration. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the products feel well made. The serum bottles dispense the right amount of product, and the shampoo bottle is a decent size, so you're getting good value in terms of quantity. So, does this product live up to its claims? It's hard to say just yet, as true results with hair restoration products can take months to fully manifest. But from a practical standpoint, I can see this being a good choice for someone actively trying to repair their hair post-transplant, thanks to the powerful ingredients. Mid-review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon if you're finding this review helpful. Your support helps us keep making honest and informative reviews like this. For alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might consider products that focus on biotin and keratin, which can also help with hair strength and regrowth, though they may not be as specifically tailored for post-transplant care. To sum up, if you're someone who's recently undergone a hair transplant or dealing with hair thinning, this Hairmd Post-Transplant Hair Repair Set might be worth trying. While it's not the most affordable option on the market, it delivers a professional-grade formulation with ingredients that are scientifically backed to support hair health. However, if you're just starting your hair care journey and don't need something quite as specific, there are more economical choices out there. Thanks for watching this review. If you've tried this product or have other hair care recommendations, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.